In this video, I will show you how to lock the Binance app on your iPhone. By locking the app, you can ensure that only you can open it, even if someone has your phone. To begin, locate and open the Binance app on your iPhone. Once inside the app, tap on the icon in the top left corner of your screen. Next, tap on your nickname, displayed at the top of this menu. Now that you're on your account info page, tap Security. In this section, scroll down a bit until you see Auto Lock. Tap on it. Here, you'll see several options for auto lock periods. Immediately, 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, or 1 hour. For maximum security, especially if you're frequently accessing sensitive information, select Immediately. This means that as soon as you close the Binance app, it will lock right away. Now that you've set up your preferred auto lock duration, let's test it out. Close the Binance app. When you reopen it now, you'll be prompted with a request allowing Binance access to Face ID for verification purposes. Allow this permission so that every time you close and then reopen the app, depending on your selected time period, you'll need Face ID verification before accessing any features or information within Binance. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.